where we are going to learn one new topic in our grammar subject. The topic is prepositions. Last we have learned about adverbs, right students? So in grammar, various topics are there. We are using these topics in our day-to-day life, right? As we want to speak in English, as I told to you that if you want to speak in English, that grammar is must, okay? So if we are not aware how to use the words in a correct manner, so how we will speak in English? Is it right? Okay, so in this we are going to learn about prepositions. As we have learned about adverbs, these are the topics. Suppose you just think about that grammar is a tree. Grammar is a one tree and he is having many branches in that. Many branches means these are the topics: nouns, pronouns, articles, prepositions, adjectives, adverbs, tenses. So grammar is a one tree which includes various topics in it. As you are learning these topics according to your grade. Okay. So today we are going to learn about prepositions. Now preposition. Preposition means if I hide these words spelling pre. So what is going to show this positions, right? Positions. So it will tell to us that where is a noun or a pronoun. It will tell you about their positions. Means, right? So preposition is a word which links to a noun or a pronoun to the rest of the sentence. I am going to write the definition first of all. Preposition tells you, preposition links to noun or pronoun to rest of the sentence. Now I am going to tell you what is it. Okay. So preposition is a word which we are using to linking the noun or a pronoun for the rest of the sentence. Now here what is the meaning of a noun? So you have already learned this chapter in your term 1 very clearly that noun is a word, is a name of person, animal, thing or place. Okay. So when we are talking about something, about someone like person, animal, thing or place, so it comes in a noun. Is okay. And now what is pronoun? Pronoun means this chapter you have already learned in your term 1, but once again I am giving you what is the pronoun. So pronoun is a word which we use in place of noun. Now in place of noun means if I want to talk about something particularly on one topic, if I am choosing the topic name is tree, okay, and I want to write some lines on the mango tree. So what I will use? Mango tree, mango tree, mango tree. I am not going to write it the same word again. Okay. So in place of it, what I will write? It. So in place of noun which we are using the words that are known as pronouns. For an example, he, she, it. I, you, we, they. Right? So these are the pronouns as I have given you introduction in the time of tenses. Right? So these are the pronouns which we are using in the place of noun. Now this is the word which is including, which is linking them with the rest of the sentence. Now as I have explained you in the chapter of adverbs that we are going to learn 3 adverbs, right? So in this chapter also we are going to learn 3 prepositions. One is place, time, direction. So preposition of place, preposition of time, prepositions of directions. Okay, so these are the 3 which we are going to learn in this. Okay, as I told to you that we are going to learn 3 prepositions. First is place, prepositions of time, preposition of direction. These 2 topics you have already learned at the time of adverb chapter, right? Now this one is new, but before that I am going to give you some introduction about this only. Preposition of place. Preposition of place, as we are talking about here, particularly place. Now, as I told you that adverb was a chapter which was given us introduction, sorry, which is giving us information about verbs. But this is the preposition which tells you more about noun. Okay. So it will tell you about noun or a pronoun, as you can say. So now here it will tells you that where is noun. Okay, if I am talking about one boy, girl, bird, animal, place, right? So now where are they? So they will answer the question only WHERE, as we have learned at the time of adverb. So for place, they will answer to the question WHERE, where. Okay, so where something takes place or where something happens. कुछ चीज हुई तो लेकिन कहाँ हुई? अगर हम नाउन के बारे में बात करें तो वो खुद कहाँ है. Okay, so it will tells you about place, and place why we will come to know by the word of where. Now the next is prepositions of time. Prepositions of time, it means that it also will give you the information about noun or pronoun only. Noun or pronoun. Okay. Now they have, suppose they have done any of the work, anything they have done, so it will tells you about when something happened. When, WHEN, when. For time we are using the word when, WEHEN, when. When means kab. Now here preposition of direction. Preposition of direction means where something moves. Where something moves to. Here you can say that this is little bit related to the place only. So as what is the meaning of direction? For an example, what is the direction? As you are moving to the any of the market or of the mall, but you are not aware about particularly shop. So what you will do? You will take help only from the any of the person. So what they will tell you? They will guide you. They will tell you the way in which in this way you have to go. So it means what they are doing? They are giving you direction, right? Right jana hai, left jana hai. In this way they are giving you direction. So that comes in direction, and it is little bit included, or it is related to the adverbs of place only. Okay. So we are going to do first prepositions of place. Now see, prepositions of place, right? What is preposition of place? Where something is or where something happened. It means कोई place है तो कहाँ है, और या तो कुछ हुआ तो कहाँ हुआ. Okay. So as I told to you that preposition we are using the word for the noun or pronoun. It is linked with noun or a pronoun. Okay. So let's read number 1. I have prepared one example. I watch TV in the living room. Okay. So here what is the noun or pronoun given to us? The pronoun is I. So it means I am talking about myself. So I watch TV. TV देखी, लेकिन कहाँ देखी? In the living room. So I and in will be our preposition of place. See, your preposition of place, in, on, at, under, these words you have already learned in your lower grades also, and this chapter you have learned in your grade 2 also. Okay, so this is a little bit more to you, as you are going to learn something more about the prepositions. Okay, so next is the book is on the desk. Now here I am talking about book. Here I am talking about book. So book is our noun. So now where it is, कहाँ है वो? On the desk. Desk के ऊपर. So o and on जो है वो हमारा preposition of place है. Next is the cat is under the chair. Now here I am talking about cat. Right students? Now where it is, cat कहाँ है? Under the chair. Chair के नीचे. So under will be our adverbs. Oh sorry, my mistake. Under will be our preposition of place. Okay students, so these are the words which we are using for the preposition of place. Now let's look onto the board. I have prepared examples and definition on prepositions of time. prepositions of time. Now prepositions of time means here we are talking about noun about and their timings. Okay, so now tells us when something takes place. When something takes place. Okay, so here we are talking when something takes place means we are talking about particularly our noun or a pronoun if they have done their work, right? But when. Okay, so now let's look to the board for an examples. I get up at 7 o'clock. I get up at 7 o'clock. So here I is a pronoun. It means I am talking about myself. So for me, what I am mentioning at 7 o'clock I get up means मैं उठी. तो कब उठी? 7 o'clock. So when we are mentioning time for particularly time at 7 o'clock, at 12 o'clock. So whenever we are mentioning the perfect timings at that time we are using the word at for prepositions of time. Okay. Now the next, his birthday is on 27th March. It means I am talking about one boy and his birthday is there. Now when it is, उसका birthday कब है? On 27th March. So I have word used on. Prior that I have shown you that example with on in preposition of place. Okay, so preposition place and preposition of time, we are using the word on and in both of them, but it depends. When you will read this sentence you will come to know that here we are talking about which thing. If it is the time, because 27th March मैं कोई time की बात कर रही हूँ, March, right? और वो चीज है तो लेकिन कहाँ पे? अगर कोई चीज किसी के ऊपर हो, so it means that they are showing us that something is on that particular place. Okay, so when we are talking about time, so we are using the word on also for the preposition of time. Most of the word means almost we are using the on for the mentioning the dates or the month, right? For dates and day we are using the words preposition of time on, right? On 27th March, on 1st January, on 31st December, or else we are using the word on for the days of the week also, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So in front of these words what we will use? on. It means I am showing you particular time that you are having holiday on Sunday and Monday. Okay, so what I have used? Particularly time mentioned here, Sunday और Monday को आपकी holiday है. So on for dates and days you have to use word on. Okay. Now the next, the meeting starts in 10 minutes. Here I am telling to someone that meeting start होने वाली, but when? In 10 minutes. So 10 minutes में here as I told to you that in word we are using for preposition of place, but वो चीज कोई अंदर होती है, right? But here we are talking about something place. Something about time. So you can see here I have mentioned the 10 minutes also. 10 minutes से आपको ये पता चलेगा here I am talking about time. So in 10 minutes में, so we are using the word in as a preposition of time for the decades, centuries, for the seasons, for the day, like in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. We are using the word in as a preposition of time for these things. Okay. Now we are going to continue the preposition of direction in our next video. Today I have taught you in this video prepositions. In that we have learned about preposition of place and prepositions of time. Okay. Just go through what I have given you examples. Just refer this video, watch this video at your home. If you face any query or doubt regarding this, I am going to solve in your next live sessions. Thank you. Have a nice day.